Good afternoon. My name is Edward Nelson Fell, and my wife Ann and I founded Fellsmere, started developing it in 1911. There are many historical buildings along Broadway, and behind me is the Fellsmere Cash Grocery. The original Cash Grocery store was located at the southwest corner of Broadway and South Carolina Avenue. During the first 3 days of the week of February 21st, 1916, grocer R.E. Brown bought the Fellsmere Cash Grocery, traded to McClure and Baker for their meat business, and then McClure and Baker sold the store on the third day to H.M. Rector. The Fellsmere Cash Grocery was relocated to this corner, the northwest corner of Broadway and Newark Avenue, by Sam Mensch. It was north and adjacent to the Max Mensch dry goods store. Joseph Joe Bussey was a butcher for Sam Mensch for almost 11 years and took over the management of the Fellsmere Cash Grocery on May 8, 1944. Then 7 years later, in 1951, Joe Bussey bought the store. Unfortunately, the store burned down on Christmas Eve 1951, the same year that he bought the store. Using insurance money and what money he had saved, Joe Bussey had the store rebuilt in 1952. Joe became a respected businessman in Fellsmere. He also served as acting mayor of Fellsmere from February 1965 to February 1966. Joe and Dorothy's daughter and son-in-law, Mary Jo and Grayson Screws, incorporated the Fellsmere Cash Grocery and purchased the building from Joe and Dorothy Bussey in 1971. It has had a succession of owners since. The latest owner as of 2024 is DP&P Incorporated. Today the store is just known as the Fellsmere Grocery, but locals refer to it as El Primo in English, meaning the cousin. It has authentic Mexican food, fresh meat, and produce. And the next time you are in Fellsmere, stop by and step back in history. If you'd like to read more history and see photographs of the Fellsmere Cash Grocery, you can use your smartphone to read the QR code to access the City of Fellsmere's website, or use the city's website address as shown on the walking tour brochure.